my name is Evelyn and I like cooking because I think it's relaxing and I like doing it for a bit of fun. I came here today because I'd like to learn how to cook some simple meals. A few months ago I came here and it was really good.
Hi, my name is Nora and I really like cooking because it's very creative and you can make loads of different things when you're not expecting it, and you can change the recipe if you don't really like things or if you really do like things. And I'm really enjoying the workshop because we're making loads of different foods.
My name's Rebecca and I enjoy cooking because I find it really fun and relaxing, and I also get to eat something really nice at the end. And I'm really enjoying this workshop because it's really fun and it helps me with my cooking and so I can do more at home.
Hi, I'm Riley and I've come here because I love cooking. I love investigating new things. I don't like following recipes, but it is fun to do. I've enjoyed it, I've learnt a new recipe. I'd love to come again.